We have a question from Sheila. Oh my God, parang need ko yan. Pwede change the lens talaga. Try natin. Yes, pwede mo papalitan yung JBL sound gear frames mo ng prescription lenses. Ayan siya. So, may grado yan dalawa. Multi-coated, UV, and protection, at saka eye care, whatever. Hindi ko na siya pala transitions. At first, I was thinking, baka pwede yung transitions para pag nasa sun ako, nag-dim at nag-dark din siya. Pero hindi na muna kasi I want to try out this first and see if ma-maximize ko yung sound gear frame. What I realized lang is if you're outside or may ambient noise like traffic and people and walking around, hindi mo talaga maririnig yung sounds. Hindi masyado, very little. Hindi mo rin siya gaano ma-appreciate. Sa calls, hindi masyado. Pag indoor lang siya, I think it really works. Siguro pag nasa kotse ka or nasa loob ka ng enclosed space, mas maririnig mo yung audio, marinig mo yung calls din. Mas malinaw actually yung calls kesa sa music playing niya. What else? I tried downloading a booster for volume up to 200% pero nababasag na yung speaker niya dito eh. So hindi siya maganda. So siguro the most 115, 120% pwede. Pero I wouldn't recommend you guys downloading a volume enhancer sa smartphone nyo. Other phones has that already. But for this one, wala. I'll try to answer some of your questions dun sa next upload ko. Kung paano experience ko for this one and how to use it properly, what settings works best, and how to really maximize yung sound gear frame. But for now, to answer that question very quickly, yes, you can change it with prescription lenses sa mga nagsasalamin katulad ko. Peace.